Hey, it's Ross with monday.com. Instead of checking each board in your account to see what's new, just head over to your inbox and see everything in one place. By default, the inbox is where you'll see all of the new updates from boards you're subscribed to. But you can filter to see updates where you were mentioned in, updates from every board in your account even if you're not subscribed, or all those that you've bookmarked for later. And here, filter results even further by selecting a single board and its updates. Pro tip, to clean your inbox fast, when filtering by a board, click Close All here to mark all past updates from this board as read. To mark just a single update as read and remove it from your inbox, simply click the blue check mark. Didn't mean to do that? All good. As soon as it's closed, you've got this Undo button to return the update to your inbox, or this View All button to see every update, open or closed. Like and respond directly from here, and even click on the name of the item to open the update in its respective board. And that's it. See the full picture and stay in the know with the powerful inbox. Click here for more quick tips.